Hey friends, if media keys are not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to reset the keyboard layout. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side, and then go to languages and region. Now the languages itself is a keyboard layout, and let's say that you wish to reset English language, pick up another version of English. For example, if you have English USA, pick up English Australia, then move it to the top, and then go to English US itself and then move it to the top. So basically you interchange the languages. I'll tell you why we did it. There's no switch to reset your keyboard, but this is how you can reset your keyboard language pack. After this, you can update the keyboard drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager window. Expand the list for keyboards, right click on the keyboard device, select Update Driver and search automatically for drivers. The third solution is to restart the Human Interface Devices services. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to Human Interface Devices services, right click on it and then select restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.